Welcome to U-Haul. Let's talk about your complete tow package. The ball and mount are essential pieces of your tow package that connect your vehicle hitch to your trailer. To get you on the road quicker, U-Haul offers the best and widest range of options for your hitch ball and ball mount. The U-Haul hitch ball is a simple 6-part system that comes in a variety of sizes and tow capacities. All kits come with thread lubricant, ball, flat washer, nylon clamp force washer, recessed ball nut, and cotter pin. When properly installed, the nylon clamp force washer will strip away and give you visual confirmation that it's properly torqued. For added protection, the cotter pin offers a simple and valuable safeguard against the ball ever coming detached. Make sure you select the right size and capacity for your ball and ball mount, and you're ready to hook up your trailer. If you need any help determining which product is right for you, step into any of our U-Haul locations and speak to one of our team members, or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.